CORD and Jubilee coalition clashed at the IEBC following complaints on the tribunal hearing today over the candidature of Kethi Kilonzo for the Makueni Senate seat. Now, the bone of contention being the jurisdiction of the tribunal. The hearing is ongoing at the Milimani courts, and our reporter Sam Ogina is following the proceedings there. Now, Sam, what are the two sides' arguments, if you can hear me now?
Thank you so much, Bonnie, tuning in studio. Well, of course, we are at the Milimani court where the IEBC dispute resolution mechanism is sitting. It's the first sitting to hear and determine that is matters arising, dispute arising on the nomination of Kethi Kilonzo for the Makueni Senate seat on a CORD ticket, as well as there was a petition against that is Philip Kaloki, the Jubilee coalition ticket for the Makueni Senate seat. But earlier on today, what was happening at the hearing is that there was a tussle whether, of course, the dispute resolution mechanism has the jurisdiction to hear and determine the eligibility of Kethi Kilonzo as a CORD that is CORD aspirant for the Makueni Senate seat. Well, CORD coalition lawyers led by P.J. Kajwang were arguing that the matter that has been presented before the dispute resolution mechanism actually does not warrant the jurisdiction, or rather the IEBC dispute resolution mechanism has no jurisdiction to deal with the matter, because the dispute resolution mechanism is supposed to sit and arbitrate on matters that are relating to nominations, matters arising from nominations, but excluding matters on election petitions. Now, what they're arguing, Bonnie?
Ogina, allow me to jump in. Of course, now the matter, the bone of contention, as you said, is the jurisdiction of the tribunal. But do we know when exactly they will have a verdict regarding the candidature of Kethi Kilonzo?
Well, IEBC dispute resolution mechanism is supposed to hear and determine the matter within 7 days of nominations. Well, nominations and clearance of candidates for the Makueni Senate seat was done last week. Well, IEBC has until Monday, that is next week Monday, to hear and determine. Well, after today's hearing and submissions by both sides, that is CORD and Jubilee coalitions, the judges just took the committee, that is officials, took a short break, and they will be handing in their judgment anytime from now, whether they will continue with the hearing, I beg your pardon, into a full trial, or whether they will have to adjourn the case as it were. And if the case is adjourned, then it means if that is the Jubilee coalition feels that it is still aggrieved because they are claiming that Kethi Kilonzo's clearance and handing over of certificate for her to vie on a CORD ticket is a violation of the Constitution. That's why they're arguing that, in fact, the IEBC dispute resolution mechanism has jurisdiction to hear the matter. Then they will be compelled to move to the High Court to petition the High Court formally, saying that maybe just another avenue for legal redress, I beg your pardon.
Right, Sam Ogina, many thanks for coming to us live from Milimani Court, and of course we'll be coming to you again later on as we look at the intrigues of the candidature of Kethi Kilonzo.